Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to save a TikTok video from draft without posting it. So if you want to save a video from your drafts on Snapchat without anybody seeing it, I'll show you guys to do that today. So first things first, go to TikTok and then make a video. And I'll just record something real quick, something random, I don't really care. And then once you finish recording it, click on the check mark and then go to the next page. So once you click on the check mark, it'll bring you to this page. You can edit and do whatever you want. You can add some text or whatever. And once you're done, click next. And here what you want to make sure to do is scroll all the way down and then click on more options. It should be the lowest option. And once you click on that, make sure you turn on save to the device. This will save it to your device when you post it. So after you do that, click on drafts so that it will save it to the drafts and it'll be in the drafts. Now go to your drafts and click on the draft that you just made. After you click on it, it'll bring you to this page and you just click next. Now here you want to click on who can watch this video and change it from everyone to only me. Now only you will be able to see the video. Once you do that, post it and only you will be able to see the video so nobody will know that you posted it. After you do that, go to your profile page and then click on this little lock. This will be for all your only you videos. So once you do that, click on the video that you just posted and you can save the video again by clicking on the three dots in the bottom right corner and then clicking save video. Now since you turned on the save to device, you don't have to do this step, but you can if you want to. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.